New smart multimeter, yellow power button. Sun key for backlight and flashlight, toggleable anytime. H key lock screen, press again to clear. NCV senses wires and breakpoints directly. Beep for continuity, silence for brakes. Precise. Auto detects, no range setting. AC voltage. DC voltage. OM mode tests motors for faults or leaks. Also checks contactor condition. Beep mode tests electrical components. Tests wire continuity. Beep means connected. No beep indicates a break. Very accurate. Purchase link in bottom left or at store.